Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to link account or link data on Umamusume Pretty Derby. Now you first launch the app, okay? And then what I want you to do, once the game menu opens up, the launcher, not the actual game, the launcher. So if you already had played the actual game, I want you to close that. And then here in the launcher, just come to the bottom right, click on these horizontal lines to access the menu button, right? And then from here you'll see data link. So tap on this to access the data link settings, and then it'll ask you, would you like to transfer game data? So click here on data link, and you choose a linking method. So you can choose a link password, okay, which you would have set up. You can choose Facebook to link or Google Play. Choose either, choose account link, and then it will connect you to your linking method. For example, if it was Facebook, then it will log you in there. You can do Google Play as well. Same process. Make sure you already have a data linked though, so that you are able to access it. And as you can see now, it's asking me to link with this game data that I have. Click on OK, that's my trainer name. And then link has been complete. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.